Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basis, and today's video is all about how to download First Bank application on your mobile device. Let's get started. Grab your phone and open your App Store. Now if you are on iOS, you should open the App Store. But if you are on Android, just open the Google Play Store like me. Now in the search bar at the top, just type in First Bank. Now you should see First Mobile by First Bank. Just tap on the app icon to view the details. Here you can read about the apps and its feature. To download the app, just tap on Install or Get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically, but depending on your internet speed, this might take some time. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. And that's it. You have downloaded and launched the First Bank application. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking with it. If you have any troubles, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.